Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a full website background in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and if you want to add a full page background in Wix Studio, there isn't like a direct option to do that since Wix Studio doesn't have that option. But what we can do is we can have a workaround for it. So what we'll do is I have this website. But first, we'll make sure that we're only using one section. But because from this one, we're using multiple sections, so what we'll do is we will delete the other sections first. So I'll just delete all of my other sections right here. And then now we have our only one section. So what we'll do is we'll click on our section and then click here from the Open Inspector. Make sure you're choosing the correct section, and then from here, just scroll down to Media and then just change the media right here. So for example, I want to remove it. And then there we have our plain background with a gray color. If you want to add an image, just click on Add Image and Video. And then you will have the option right here to choose from the Wix Gallery or from Shutterstock. So take in mind that Shutterstock Gallery has payments if you want to use them. And then we can also choose from Unsplash. And then we'll go back to the Wix Gallery. And then, for example, I want to choose this notebook as a background. Just click on it and click on Change Background. And then now we have our full page background in our website. If you want to change the size of your section, so from here you have the selected section, which is the welcome section. You can change the height of your website. For example, I chose 1000 pixels as a height, and then the website automatically adjusted its height. For example, I'll choose 2000, and then from here we have our website adjusted its height, and then the background also automatically reflected the height of the website. You can change some other options for your backgrounds. For example, you can choose scale to fill. You can choose styles. For example, here we have the repeating tiles look of our background. And then you can also choose original size, but then it will look like this since it is too big for our website. So we'll just choose scale to fill. And then you can add some other options. You can add some background overlay if you want. Like here, we have a pattern overlay, and then you can choose from different options right here. And then that is it. And then if you want again to change the background, for example, you have your own background image, just click on Upload Media and then click from Upload from Computer. And then for example, we will choose this one. We'll wait for the file to download, and then we will see it in our site files. And then just click again on Change Background. And then from here, we have our full page background that we have just changed just now. And then if you're done, you can just click on Preview, and then we will see that we have our full page website background. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned the workaround in changing the full page website background in your Wix Studio website, and thank you for watching.